2018 Acadia. The GMC Acadia has great capability coupled with exceptional safety, offering better highway fuel economy than any other 8-passenger SUV, advanced technology, and thoughtful ergonomics. The Acadia is a premium utility that rejects compromise and is priced below $40,000. This vehicle has less than 9,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: remote engine start, traction control, stability control, power steering, cruise control, child safety locks, power brakes, trip odometer, airbags, front, center, clock. Your new ride is just a phone call away.